Hey everyone. Okay, we found a place that's, I don't know where we found. Anyways, we normally go up, well, I normally go up along 80 side towards the Sierras, going up 80 through Sacramento and continuing on. And usually I'm somewhere, Foothill or Forest Hill area or up to Blue Canyon at the highest. But today we're going somewhere else. I went up 50 side today, and so it's a little bit different. We kind of got off the beaten path. Found this dirt trail, so we kind of followed it on out. We just found a little creek, so we're going to go ahead and I'm with one of my friends who's already down there. We're going to see if we can set up our small sluices. Today I brought my new Keen A51 Super Sluice. It's only a 36-inch sluice. We're in a small stream, so hopefully it'll work. I mean, at least we're outside in the wilderness, outdoors, no one around us. I mean, can't beat that. So let's go ahead and see what we can do to set up our sluices and get it rolling.
Watch me look like an ass.
Yep. Here we are. Here's the little tiny creek that we were at. You can see my friend back over here running his sluice box. So we decided we're gonna try it on out, see how it works out. So I got my sluice box all set up. So it's not the way that I prefer it. I prefer the water a little smoother, but it's gonna work for now. And I already tested a little bit of dirt through there from around here, and it seems to work well. So that's where I'm going to sluice, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so he went and he finished off his bucket. And he's starting to clean it on out. Initial look looks like nothing. So it looks like the dirt we picked up, it looks like it really wasn't that good. Unfortunately, because it looked pretty red, looked like it had good potential. You know what? That's part of prospecting. Sometimes you hit, sometimes you miss. There's no guarantees. But he's still cleaning, so we'll see how he does in the end. Okay, so we showed him how to pan earlier today, so now he's panning out his concentrates. He's learning, but it looks like he's doing a good job on this one. Looks like just the ending technique we might have to work on just a little bit. But he did pretty good panning down to that part. Look at that, he's getting a nice flow, not pushing it. And we just went over it today, so see, it's easy to learn to pan. Just takes more and more practice, that's all. Pyrite. Too bad I didn't hit nothing. See, we gotta work on this part here. Don't hold it against your buddy.
It's just bouncy that way.
A little bit right up here.
A couple little specks. That's probably the Bear River Gold from last time that was stuck in the mat.
Yeah. And that's a good point to make. When you run your sluice, make sure you cleaned out the last time you used it pretty darn well. We found some specks of gold from the last time we were out that he came up with me. We were at the Bear River in Colfax, California. So those might be from that, because we were able to loosen some of that on up when we cleaned up this time.
4 or 5 specks.
So there you go. Maybe those were from last time. Maybe they're this time. Now we don't know. I can see here, could miss some. Let's see real quick.
Yeah, there's a few out there. There's probably 4 or 5.
Yeah, those look like gold. Yep. So get it all separated. Oh, you got quite a bit in here, actually. Wow, you actually got quite a bit in here. I wonder if those are from last time. Here. Oh, I just got a floater piece of gold. Alright, so you got some pyrite. This one over here is pyrite. That one's gold, and then these up here are gold. I don't know if you can see it, and I even have two floater pieces are probably gold too. So, where did those floaters go? Alright, so it looks pretty good. So you got this line of gold right here. Spec, 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 spec. There's 2 more over here. So there you go.
Freaking A.
Can you see it? You see it? Oh, I don't know if we're going to be able to see it. I think it's too dark.
There's one right there, and there's a couple right there.
Yeah, there's like 2 right there, and you can see the line right there. Yeah.
Okay.
So, got some gold. Now we just don't know where it came from.
Pretty much.
But you know what? He's got some gold. Very nice. Beautiful up here.